This assembly, when you're all done with this experiment and making the sensor work according to the specification, teardown is very quick, but I do want you to be very careful so you don't break or scratch the sensor or the test box or damage the magnetic base. First, remove the power. And take the power supply and wrap the cord up in between the two prongs, rotate 90 degrees, and begin wrapping the cord back around the power supply just the way you found it. Next, you can press all of these pins down one at a time or all at a time and pull the wires out. I will just do that since I only have one hand here. Set this off on the side. Now carefully unscrew this shell, turning it clockwise, making your thumb go to the left. Pull down a little bit as you're unscrewing it. Now it popped off. Reattach the rubber band to the cable so it's not stringing out. Put the rubber band on that and get that ready to go back into the box. Next, use two hands and remove the sensor from the mounting block. Set the sensor down so we don't drop it. Next, loosen the mast clamp. Just loosen it enough so you can remove the mast extension, the mounting block. Keep this clamp all the way down, and you don't have to tighten it, but some students will tighten it because they feel better tightening it. So we can tighten it up in case you tip it upside down and this drops and falls on the floor and then we can't find it. So just a little snug so it won't fall off. Now remember that this knob is a plunger. You want to just make sure the plunger is pushing up against the plate, and that will separate the magnet from the steel plate. Set that aside. Put the plate back in the box exactly where it belongs. Put the magnetic base back in the box, keeping this mast portion on the magnetic base. Keep it straight. Put this back into the box exactly where it belongs. Put your sensor back in the box. Put the test box back in the box, and put your cable back in the box. Put the power supply back in the box. Make sure everything that you took out goes back into the box. Thank you.